welcome to a brand new episode of CJ Plus. Now at its very core, CJ is a platform for your issues. This week you raised the very pertinent question: why pay extra at restaurants, in movie theatres or in flights? Well, this CNN-IBN CJ Plus campaign has gone viral. Your tweets, your videos, your stories are reaching to us on our digital desk by the thousands. Yes, this campaign is the big question here on CJ Plus, and we're putting all of these stories together in this very special episode.
Hi, Vikas Kutyala, citizen journalist, Chandigarh. I'm going to show you the crusade against charge of service charges by the restaurants in Chandigarh, whereby fleecing the gullible and innocent customers who come to dine in. I decided to approach the Honorable Consumer Forum.
Hi, this is Abhishek Nakashe. This was not the first time that I had been charged over and above the bill as service charges, and I'm very much sure that most of you must have experienced the same. If you haven't noticed it, notice it now.
It all started with Abhishek Nakashe writing to us on IBNCJ.com, narrating how a Mumbai restaurant asked him to pay 10% extra as service charge. Now, Abhishek said that he was happy to pay for what he had had, plus the taxes levied by the government, but not this compulsory tip imposed by the restaurant in the name of service charge. This is when things got ugly. Now, this is not an isolated incident. Many of us have had to pay extra in the name of service that anyway the restaurants should be providing to us. Abhishek Nakashe now turning a citizen journalist, demanding to know why pay extra. Mihir Trivedi is helping him file a top seizure report.
Hi, this is Abhishek Nakashe. I have become citizen journalist today to cover an important issue of service charges levied by these restaurants on their whims and wishes by keeping certain important facts hidden from the customers. In July this year, I along with my sister visited this restaurant called as Secret Spice in Mumbai's Mulund area. Like many, we too were enjoying our meal. However, the trouble started when I was presented with the bill which expected me to pay more than the price in the menu, all in the name of unspecified service charge. This was not the first time that I had been charged over and above the bill as service charges, and I am very much sure that most of you must have experienced the same. If you haven't noticed it, notice it now. Basically, you are required to pay for the food plus taxes, and on the face of it, service charges. And the irony is, most of these restaurants do not disclose the amount of service charges being levied. People often get confused between service tax and service charge. Service tax and service charge are two different aspects. Basically, there is no statutory law under which service charge is levied. It is a variable component of the invoice which is distributed among the restaurant staff. It can be charged anywhere between 5 to 12%, depending upon the restaurant. However, as per consumer law, restaurant must inform the customers about the percentage charged by mentioning it in the menu card. Also, there is no way to confirm if such amount collected under the name of service charge is actually distributed among the staff. What if it goes into restaurant owner's pocket? And what if someone is not happy with the service? Is it free not to pay service charge? That's another issue.
मैं सब टोटल पे करूँगा यहाँ तक का, नीचे का आई विल नॉट पे, क्योंकि ये मेन्यू कार्ड में आपने नहीं लिखा है सर्विस चार्ज एग्जैक्टली कितना है.
In my case, the cops had to be called for my rescue, as the management at this restaurant didn't let us go. In a way, I was only allowed to leave if I agreed to pay the bill, inclusive of service charges, which was some type of illegal confinement. Luckily, the cops understood what I was trying to say, but they had no clue what sections to put under the complaint. Finally, I filed an NC against the restaurant. There are various places where consumer is cheated literally. So in case you are unreasonably charged or overcharged next time, do remember to raise your voice because you must. This is citizen journalist Abhishek Nakashe signing off.
Did you know that there is no law backing service charge? It's simply in place because it's become the norm over years. So you're paying at 10% or more even if you're unhappy with the services. Did you know that if not clearly mentioned in the bill, asking for a service charge is illegal? So look out for these things next time you're footing your bill. Here's a video that's going to help you understand the different components of the bill. Why Pay Extra? That's the CNN IBN CJ Plus campaign that we're taking up. We want you to observe your bill next time you're eating at a restaurant. Look at this one. It's $1,355 for all the food and beverages. But what do you end up paying after all the taxes and charges have been put? Almost 1,760 rupees. Well, let's decode all the charges in this bill. There's of course the service tax, and the government says that it should be 14% of the 40% of your bill, which comes to 5.6% of the total bill. There is VAT, of course, on beverages and food, and then there is the service charge. Now, this is the contentious portion of the bill. This service charge is not going to the government, but this 10% goes to the restaurant, which they say will be distributed amongst the waiters and the cooks who are doing the work. But if it is actually being distributed or if it goes into the restaurant owner's pocket, there is no way really to check. Also, the issue of if you're not happy with the service, will you still be paying that 10% service charge? Chances are yes. You don't have any say because it is being mandatorily put on your bill. So next time you go eating out, do notice your bill. You can join the conversation. Just use the hashtag #WhyPayExtra. Also send us pictures of the bills where you've been charged an extra 10% or more as service charge. The Indian Revenue Service added power to our sustained CNN IBN CJ Plus campaign, Why Pay Extra, with this tweet. Not only that, the Indian Revenue Service also put out a message tagging IBN Live that service charge is not government levied. Our next citizen journalist report is coming from Chandigarh, where our citizen journalist is Vikas Kotriala. He was forced to pay a service charge by a restaurant, Barbecue Nation. Not the ones to give up, Vikas took this issue up with the Consumer Forum. The Consumer Forum found the practice of service charge illegal. The restaurant was forced to pay a compensation of 17,000 rupees to Vikas. Here is his CJ report.
I, Vikas Kotriala, citizen journalist, Chandigarh. I'm going to show you the crusade against charge of service charges by the restaurants in Chandigarh, whereby fleecing the gullible and innocent customers who come to dine in and spend their time in the restaurants. This is the place where myself, along with my family and my friend's family, came for dinner on 2nd of May 2014. We ordered our dinners, and after going through our snacks and dinner, we requested the waiter to provide us with the bill. On seeing the bill, I was shocked to find a levy of rupees 193 on account of service charge, which is neither sanctioned by law nor given in any account to the government. This charge, I was told on being asked, is a levy which is towards the benefit of the staff. This is distributed among the staff, a sort of a tip, a compulsory tipping. Whether or not you like it, you have to pay the service charge. On my persistent request, I was told either I pay or I have no other option, because if I don't pay, then they will insult me and humiliate me in front of my friends, my family, and the other guests which are present at Barbecue Nation. I decided to approach the Honorable Consumer Forum and file a complaint against Barbecue Nation for levying this illegal amount of service charge, which is neither prescribed by law nor sanctioned by any force that they can levy on people. With the decision dated 17th August of the Honorable Consumer Forum Chandigarh, whereby this charging of service charge has been held to be illegal in the restaurants of Chandigarh, it is a small step towards the victory of eradication of service charges from the restaurants across the Tri-City. Vikas Kotriala, citizen journalist, Chandigarh.
Hopefully, Vikas's story will be an example not only for the restaurants but also for customers like you and us. Since the time we started the Why Pay Extra campaign, you've wanted to take it further to the elevated costs of food and beverages sold inside movie theatres. Well, here are some of the videos that you sent to us on our website, ibncj.com.
यहाँ पर सर्विस चार्ज बहुत ज़्यादा है। हम जैसे मिडिल क्लास के लोग सोचते हुए लेने से पहले सोचते हैं यहाँ पर कोई चीज़ खरीदें या नहीं खरीदें, और सर्विस चार्ज की वजह से मतलब हम खरीद नहीं पाते और अपना दिल मार के रह जाते हैं। और यहाँ पर कोल्ड ड्रिंक जो है 230 रुपये फुल, हाफ मिलती है 180, और पॉपकॉर्न का चार्ज है 130 120, जो कि पॉपकॉर्न का चार्ज होना चाहिए 50 से 60 रुपीज़, कोल्ड ड्रिंक का होना चाहिए 60 से 70 रुपीज़। लेकिन यहाँ अबाव 100 अबाव 200 के ऊपर हर चीज़ है जो हम मतलब नहीं ले पाते।
फैमिली वगैरह के साथ भी आते हैं यहाँ मूवी देखने, तो हम इस चीज़ से परेशान हैं। यहाँ पॉपकॉर्न वगैरह, कोल्ड ड्रिंक वगैरह एक्स्ट्रा चार्जेस बहुत हैं, जो मिडिल क्लास के लोगों के लिए मुश्किल से लेना पड़ता है, सोचना पड़ता है कभी कभी लेने के लिए, इतना महंगा होता है।
If you go for buying any popcorns and coke, the rates are very high, because if we take from outside, so we have to pay only 50 rupees or 20 rupees for popcorn. Here we are paying more than 100 rupees for a single popcorn packet.
मूवी टिकट्स एंड पॉपकॉर्न, वाटर बॉटल्स एंड अदर जो चीज़ें होती हैं, उन पे भी जो सर्विस टैक्स है काफ़ी ज़्यादा है, जो कि नहीं होना चाहिए।
Looks like it's time for us to slip into a short break, but stay tuned. We're getting you the voices from the other side of this debate when we return. Welcome back to CJ Plus. Yes, you heard the voices of the customers, but this time we're crossing over and getting you the reaction of restaurant owners. Our next citizen journalist is Varun Khera. He's the owner of Desi Vibe Restaurants in Noida, and he's saying that customers can actually demand for the service charge to be removed if they're not happy with the service. Manna Anand is helping Varun file the CJ report.
Hi, my name is Varun Khera. I am the owner of Desi Vibes Restaurant in Noida. I've joined the CNN IBN's campaign for Why Pay Extra. Today, at the CJ show, I would like to highlight the restaurant owner's point of view.
I have been running this restaurant in Noida for the last 10 years. I'm happy with the services that I've provided. I've gained the goodwill of many customers over the years.
Fancy service charge as a charge was basically to ascertain the services in the restaurant which is rendered to the customer. How service charge actually started was that it was started for a motivational purpose for the staff. The whole service charge is basically distributed to the staff, to all the restaurant employees, basically from kitchen as well as the service also, to the housekeeping, to the utility staff.
Although I feel it works as an incentive for our staff to provide better services, but at the same time, customers are not bound to pay the service charge.
Service charge is a charge which we are charging. It is exactly on the same way. If you have not liked a dish, can I charge you? No, I can't charge you. Either I'll replace it or I won't charge you. It's exactly the same way. If you haven't liked the services of the restaurant, there's no reason for you to basically pay it.
Of late, concerns have been raised by the customers and there is a growing demand to do away with the service charge.
It is not by government, it is not a charge which is by the government, it is a charge which is the restaurant which is charging. So it is at the end it is up to the restaurant owner whether he would like to charge the service charge or not.
The customer should check the bill properly before paying it.
It is not something bad, it is not fleecing. Words like these that restaurants have been charging it since years and we were not even aware of it. We are educated, we still have never seen that the bill contains a service charge. Why we give a bill? Why we write it in the menu card? Just to tell and inform and educate customers that yeah, there is a particular charge which we are charging.
We restaurant owners are not trying to hide anything from the customers.
The message for all the customers today is that always check your restaurant bill whenever you're paying for it and check the amount of service charge charged on the bill. And in case on a genuine note you have not liked the services, please ask for the removal of the service charge from the restaurant. Also, for the restaurant owners, I would humbly request you to always be transparent on the amount of service charge charged by you to the customer, wherein by placing it on the menu as well as on the bill. This is Varun Khera, CJ for CNN IBN.
Why pay extra? For this campaign, you've been sending your voice, your issues across all digital platforms, and CJ Plus has been matching your vigor. The other issue that you wanted to take up was the cost of food and beverages in flight. Well, just how elevated and inflated these costs are, we'll show you in this video. Airlines charging for your printouts to additional costs for handling your musical instruments to now the inflated cost of food and beverages inside flights. Well, you, the citizen, Citizen are taking forward CJ Plus CNN IBN Why Pay Extra campaign to another level. Sample this, half a litre of water for 40 rupees, double the market price. A cup of coffee can cost you up to 60 rupees. A Tetra pack of juice that will cost you 20 rupees outside costs you a 70 bucks inside the plane. Well, given that these commodities are being given to you so many feet above the ground, also given the fact that these prices are clearly mentioned before you place the order. But if you're in a long haul flight, especially with children, you have no option but to shell out that money. Taking that thought forward is our next citizen journalist, Anil Sood. He connected to the team on Twitter. He's a consumer rights activist and he's talking about how two different MRPs for the same product is not only unethical but also, in fact, illegal.
My name is Anil Sood, citizen journalist. Today, intend to take up a very serious issue of service charge and also added to the cost by airlines, impact of which is huge. I am holding in-flight menu of one of the low-cost carriers in my hand, which is indicating prices of mineral water, which is 40 rupees, outside it is 20 rupees. Aerated soft drinks, Coca-Cola, Diet Cola or Fanta, 60 rupees. Outside again it is can of 30 rupees. So this clearly shows that the service charges has been included in the printed price, which itself is illegal, because the manufacturer cannot print a different price for airlines and different price for the market. Printing of retail sale price is governed by the act called Legal Metrology Act 2009, read with Legal Metrology Rule 2011. Now all these airlines, for the purpose of this act and rules, are dealers, because they buy the packed products from outside and sell to the consumers, those who are retail consumers. Now it is obligatory on the part of the manufacturer to print only one MRP for all the products sold to these airlines as well as sold in the open market. Now, being the dealers, they cannot charge extra. Now, where they are taking shelter of the flaw in the law is that they treat themselves as institutional buyers. Now, institutional buyers can use the product for themselves, cannot sell the product to the dealer. So that is the flaw which they are using to their advantage, and treating themselves as an institutional buyer, they are getting different price tag, price fixed on the products, which is wholly illegal. This is the high time. We citizens need to wake up, come together, stand up against overcharging, overpricing, because law is in our favor. We'll have to force the authorities to come, wake up and take action against this kind of fleecing, which is not cannot be tolerated anymore. I am Anil Sood, citizen journalist for CNN IBN.
We'd like you to keep the conversation going. Remember to use the hashtag #WhyPayExtra. That's all that we could pack in on this edition of CJ Plus. We will look forward to your feedback. Send it to us on ibncj.com. You can also connect with the team on Facebook and Twitter. From the entire team then, goodbye, and until we meet again next time, take care.